Tired of those frustrating high ping moments and constantly missing your shots? Well, fret not. I've got your back with some straightforward fixes to get that ping down and your gameplay on point. So, let's jump right into the solutions without any delay. Solution 1. Test your internet speed and latency. Head over to speedtest.net using your favorite browser. Once the website loads, hit that go button. Now sit back as the website does its thing, testing your internet speed. You'll get all the details about your upload speed, download speed, and of course, your ping. If that ping is sky high, it's time for a router restart and maybe disconnecting some other devices hogging up the network. After that, give the speed test another go. Still no luck? It's time to reach out to your internet service provider for more assistance. Solution 2. Change in-game settings. Fire up Rocket League, then click on Settings from the menu. Next, set Client Send Rate, Server Send Rate, and Bandwidth Limit to High. After that, take the box next to Input Buffer and choose either SDS or CSDS. Then select the server region closest to you under Tournament Schedule region. Click OK to seal the deal. Now enjoy your game with reduced ping. Solution 3. Reset your network configuration settings. Begin by clicking on the search icon and typing CMD. Right-click on the command prompt, then select Run as Administrator and hit Yes. Type netsh space winsock space reset and press Enter. Next, type ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit Enter. After that, type ipconfig space /release and hit Enter. Now, type ipconfig space /renew and press Enter. Follow it up by typing netsh space int space ip space reset and hitting Enter. Don't worry, I'll include these commands in the video description below. Finally, restart your computer and router. Check if the error persists after the restart. Solution 4. Use an optimized DNS server. Open command prompt again. Type ping 1111 and press Enter to get the ping details. Similarly, type ping 8888 and press Enter. Determine which DNS server has the lowest ping. Navigate to Settings, then click on Network and Internet and then on Ethernet. Click Edit next to DNS Server Assignment. Select Manual. Turn on IPv4 if it's off. Add the DNS server with the lowest ping to preferred DNS. For alternative DNS, use 1001 if you're using 1111 or 8844 if you're using 8888. Click Save. Verify if the issue is resolved. Voila! The error should now be history. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks again for tuning in.